Hey guys! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Han and Kai. So today's video, another success immigration stories ang ating ibabahagi sa video na ito. And these are the latest travel requirements from Philippines to Germany under the category of spouse visa. So it was from our one, we handled their documents, and we are glad that she made it. So it was from Miss Charis May and to his partner, German partner. So this May lang, 2024, she arrived safe and sound here in Germany. And I just contacted again this week if she's now arrived here in Germany. And she tell me that she was now here in Germany, arrived and safe. So now that she was success, her immigration stories, we will share it too here in our vlog. So thank you again, Charis May, for sharing your stories, and I hope na other traveler as well under spouse visa from Philippines to Germany would get ideas on the success immigration stories that you share with us, and makatulong ito sa kanila if they are soon as well traveling to Germany under spouse visa. So wag na nating patagalin pa. Let's share her story here in our vlog for today. So last April 2024, she got her approved visa under spouse. And we are the one handling as well and assisting and guiding her on her visa application journey. So thank you, Ms. Charis, for communicating and contacting and trusting with us through your journey on your spouse visa. So, ayan yung, when she got her visa and she contacted or share her story or share her success during that time. Ano yun guys, April 2024. Then when she go to Germany, when she travel under spouse, May na, this May lang din. So last week ito lang din. So now that she was success, and we will proceed now to her application or what documents of the immigration check on her application. So in the Philippine immigration, first, we will tackle the information or questionnaire that the immigration asked to Miss Charis. So, because she's under spouse visa, hindi naman to guys stressful or hindi naman ganun kahirap dahil pang long term to, at if you say long term, it's under type D, long term visa, family reunion. So, tinanong lang sa kanya, anong gagawin mo sa Germany? Saan at kailan kayo kinasal? Anong name ng partner mo? And meron ka bang proof of marriage certificate? So, yon. And then, do you have CFO certificate? So, that's the immigration in Philippines as her. Then, di ba, hindi naman ganun kahirap yung mga question or as in personal information din patungkol sa iyo at sa iyong partner lang yan pagdating sa immigration. So lahat naman ng information na yon nasagot ng ating traveler or ng ating applicant during her time na magta-travel na siya from Philippines to Germany. So she provide, of course, her Philippine passport original, her approved visa from Germany, also the CFO certificate. You really need to provide a CFO certificate, guys, ha? Lalo na kung type D visa ka or for long term ka, okay? So, ano pa? She also have a marriage certificate, PSA. And then, her flight ticket, one way na lang, guys, okay? Then, the copy of the passport of his partner, okay? So, that's the document she provide in the Philippine immigration. And then it was smooth and, yun na. they stamp her application or her passport, and then she's good to go, going to Germany. And then when she arrived here in Germany, the next day, she arrived in Frankfurt International Airport here in Germany. Then the documents or the immigration officer here asked about only her marriage contract, PSA, approved visa, and the passport original of her or from her. So, because they know it as well naman, under type D and spouse visa, they know it's a long term, so they don't question too much. And it was success. Ganun lang ka-smooth ang naging journey ng ating travel or ang ating success ang ating traveler today. So, ganun na ngayon ka-smooth from Philippines to Germany. Yung mga documents na dapat mong i-ready when it comes, it's your time. But I guess guys, if ever naman na first time mo, better kung ano yung mga sinubmit mo sa embassy during your application, better bring it as well. Put it in a folder where you can easily show to the immigration officer lahat ng documents na makakapagpatunay na ito yung partner mo, and invitation letter, passport copy niya, and of yours. So yeah, lahat ng documents or application na sinubmit mo din sa embassy, just bring it as well for your security. Also, under type D, talagang kailangan mong kumuha ng CFO certificate na pagkatapos ng iyong visa application ay yan naman ang next na ikukumply mo, okay? Dahil napaka-importante din yan sa immigration. You don't need affidavit of support kung ikaw ay type D under long term. For example, spouse, au pair, unborn, marriage visa. So you don't need affidavit of support. But then if you are under type C or short-term visa, then you need to provide affidavit of support, especially if you are really sponsored by your host or your foreign or European partner, okay? So you really need to provide affidavit of support para ito sa immigration when you're flying, going to your target country na pupuntahan mo. But then, if you are type D, you don't need affidavit of support. Rather than, you need a CFO certificate as type D, one of the major documents that you need to provide or you need to comply after your visa application. So yeah, that's all the latest requirements and the success immigration stories that we share here. So thank you again, Ms. Charisse, for sharing your story with us. And this information ay makakatulong din sa iba nating traveler soon, lalo na kung first time sila na magta-travel under the spouse visa and they don't have idea what they need to provide, diba? So thank you again. So kung nakatulong itong vlog namin sa inyo, please don't forget to click the notifications bell and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always notified on our next vlog that we will share here. So guys, if you also viewers and you're already traveling here, maybe you are planning or excited to share your story with us, just message us in the description below where you can easily connect with us. We are happy to connect with you and share your story as well in our vlog here. So God bless.